rie ime gịnị gọvanọ agbalịala ịkwụ ụgwọ ọnwa nga ọ kwụdoro ịkwụkwanụ ndị a na-akwụ nga ha kwụdoro, but the case remains that na ndị eji ụgwọ ka ndị a na-akwụ bụ ụgwọ. That is the truth. Let me tell you, when we give advice, let it not be seen as opposition, as some party men nwere ike ịhụta ya na ọ wụ opposition. No, it is not opposition. We are saying the truth. And ọ ga-aka mma na ị gwara gọvanọ nke wee eziokwu. Ọ ga-aga mma na otu a gọvanọ merele 2 years in office as a governor, na ị gwara ya nke wee eziokwu ka o nwee ike hazisie onwe ihe in the remaining 2 years. Na-aghọtanụ m. Remember, the year 2020, that was the year the problem of non-payment of salary began in Imo. Ghọtanụ m. The year 2020, especially March 2020, wu mgbe akwụghị ụgwọ ọnwa ndị ọrụ malitere. Before you know it, ejie ndị ọnwa 6 months, ndị ọrụ ụgwọ ọnwa 6 months, 1 year, ya akụfere. By March 2022, ndị na-receive be salary by March, from March 2020, by March 2022, ọ ga-awụ 2 years. 2 years. Ha na-receive be salary as civil servants. Now let's look at the verification exercises. In the year 2021, more than 7 verifications, 7 verifiable verification exercises has been done for the civil servants in Imo State. Maneju ole nne gị kọkọrọrọ ka obere n'ọkwụ, ka obere n'obowo, ka obere na njaba, ka obere na ata. Na-aghọta ebe m na-eje. Many workers are staying at home today without salary for the past year and by March this year, made 2 years. Now, look at what happened. The government came up with a policy. Now, when ndị na-eri double salary, enyoye ya ure eziokwu esuoye kpom. The government came up with this policy that they nwere some people ndị mere mistake na bank eji akwụga ha salary. Na enwere ndị nọ na microfinance bank. That was where the problem started initially. Na enwere ndị nwere problem. Now government see that no civil servant will use microfinance bank for payment of salary. By that time, akwụshi ndị niile na-use microfinance bank eri salary, kwụshi ha salary for more than 3, 4, 5 months. Then, within those periods, government wee kwuo na a na-achọ ka ha hajigharịa buru ha bupụta ha from microfinance bank, bubaga ha na commercial bank. Within that period, they were not earning. They were not getting their salaries. Now, all those civil servants affected using microfinance banks were asked to go and open another account with a commercial bank. Now, hey, pull from microfinance bank, Ghana commercial bank. Now, from pulling from microfinance bank to commercial bank, some of them are still not being paid. Now, the government made a mistake, which even the civil servants confirmed themselves. They would require the same salary. Gayakwa, na that same microfinance bank she pull ha. Jekwekwe go gwangaho. Ya urokwa another problem. I pull ha go from that same microfinance actually for buba ha kwea na commercial bank ha register ohoro. Na gota na ebe na eje ka inwe ike gota ebe na eje ka happy ifu ụzọ. Now, the government has tried to correct this anomaly of pulling people from microfinance bank to commercial bank. Now got to say another problem. Then the next problem is BVN. The BVN where bro. Now, onwere ike di na nwaanyị na-arụ civil service, na-arụ ọrụ civil service. Ịghọtala na-arụ ka civil servants na steeti Imo. They are operating one bank account with one BVN. Government akushie their salary. Very commendable. Very commendable. Maka na ihe agbaga na awọsọ onye ọbụla gbagosi isi onwe. There. Nke ewu nwoke eje mepere onwe akaụntụ ukie, nke nwanyị eje mepere onwe akaụntụ ukie. But the problem is they are using the same BVN akushie the account. I know the government can solve it. I know if the government wants to solve that problem, I got solve here. Now got everybody. Then some people, your information na BVN or ha, bịaziri mgbe a na-eme verification ihe nyere na information na BVN awụgo ihe nọ n'akwụkwọ ha jiri mee verification, which means they have indicted themselves, which means they have fallen falling short of the which means na ha nwa na onwe ha self eriele mperi n'ihe gbasara irizi ụgwọ ọnwa maka na ha je were ihe ọzọ dee na BVN, were ihe ọzọ dee na verification, ebubatazie ya ebe a na-akwụ ụgwọ na BVN na the data office and ebe a na-eche akwụ ụgwọ. Lee anya, ihe nọ na BVN dị iche na ihe nọ na gano, na ihe nọ na verification akwụkwọ eji mee verify. Wee chọpụtazie na ụfọdụ nwere ike aha ha dere age ha dere na BVN abụghị age nọ na verification paper. That is why eji kuchie their salary. Na-aghọta na ebe anyị na-eje. Now, the government emekwa another verification upon verification until eme nke emere last by November, December last year. Na-aghọta nụ. Since that time emere nke ahụ, let me tell you, like I said, the government is for the people. The government is for the welfare of the people. Let me tell you, if the government really wants to pay these people after finding out their faults, enwere ike ata ha ahụ, enwere ike apịa ha ụtarị, enwere ike eme ha nke, but their salary should be coming. Oh yes, their salary should be coming, since it has been verified that they are genuine civil servants. That is the underlying factor. Are you a genuine civil servant? Yes. Did you make mistake? Yes. Then government ataga ahụ discipline ọrụ go. But ọ bụrụ na iwu genuine civil servant, then you can be paid. You will receive your salary. Ebe nsogbu ga-adị wee be mere chọpụta that you are fake, you are a ghost civil servant. That is when your salary will be blocked forever and ever, because you are fake, because you are ghost. So the problem, the government of Imo State went in a second year with the problem of salary and the pension. The problem of salary and pension. 2019, when they made a verification 2019, through today, they have not received their pension. I'm talking of the pensioners now. And when they verified in 2019, before you heard your heart poor, before you heard your heart poor, those people, till today, they have not received their salary. Anya de ekuzi okwu gratuity in Imo State. Anya de ekuzi okwu gratuity in Imo State. Consequent and subsequent and the consequential governments in the biagano na apple. Onwe di ke chọrọ ịma ma na-akwụ pension, na-akwụ gratuity, ma anaghị akwụ gratuity. They focused on pension. Now, one of the solutions to the issue of payment of salary and pension is for government to raise a committee. Here before. Let the government of Imo State wefuaka n'ihe gbasara payment of salary and payment of pension. I could remember when we had a ministry of pension in Imo State. Nkorike Zajumbe were the pioneer commissioner. I could remember we had a ministry of pensions. Yes, we had that. Ministry of Pension Affairs. I went in Imo State before. Orike Zajumbe was the pioneer commissioner of that ministry. Now, what happened to that ministry? Now, the government of Imo State, it is an advice. Government work for aka na payment of salary. Government work for hanaka na payment of salary. Work for aka na payment of pension. Raise Igodi a reform committee. A reform committee that will reform the Imo civil service, the Imo public service. Let that committee reform it. Package ye modify so that we can have a system that works for Imo civil servants and Imo public workers. We can have a system that works, a system that can really promote the welfare of Imo workers. This committee, this reform committee, can help the government to have a focus on exactly what the government wants as far as it concerns the civil service and the public service in Imo State. That is one thing. Governor Geme, we can with this issue of non-payment of salary and pension. Because in a situation whereby 100 people in a area give 150, equal 50, or fee ha. Onye rere enwe zụta nkịta ihe ntukwu ka nọkwa n'ụlọ ya na-echie. So it is believed that even if government is paying half of the civil servants in Imo State and not paying half, it is assumed that it's not paying. Oh yes, it is assumed he's not paying. That is the truth. I know to a government got advice. Ya got nkato. No, it's not nkato. The government is our servant. The government is serving us. This is democracy. The government serves us. We tell the government where the government is not getting it right, so that the government can get it what? Right. Because when you're on a pitch, na-agbata ball ma ọ naghị agbata ya, ọnwụ ndị na-outside na-ele the ball, nna onye agbaghele ya, nna onye agbatala ya, nna agbanụ bọọlụ otu a, nna hazienu bọọlụ ahazie, nna agbanụ bọọlụ anụnụ, nna nyenu goolu anụnụ, nna nyenu disu goolu nụ. Ọnwụ ndị na-outside na-akọrọ ndị nọ n'ime otu esi agba bọọlụ. Anyị ga-agbapụ aka ahịa ugbu a. Anyị lọghachi, anyị agakwa n'ihu kpọmkwem n'oge ihe omume anyị, oge ntụle, oge ntọpe na Ozisa 96.1 FM Owerri. Nọrọkwa ebe ahụ agagharịla agagharị n'abalị ya.